Have you found a cool YouTube video and you want to share a clickable link to your Instagram story? I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's open the YouTube app on our iPhone or Android device, and then open a video which you want to share on your story. It can be a random video, or you can share a video from your own YouTube channel. Select this Share option below the video, and then Copy Link. Once we got the video link, exit the YouTube app and then open Instagram. Then click on the plus option in order to create a new story. And then you'll want to add a photo or a video to your story. And I'll simply add my video thumbnail since I want to share my own YouTube video. Tap on this sticker option at the top, and then locate this link option. Since we had copied the link in the YouTube app, paste it in this little field here, and then tap on Done. We've got our clickable link, and you can tap on the link in order to change the style. And the rest of the things which you can do is to add a little YouTube logo. Maybe add some text like watch here and similar. That's up to you. So customize your story, then share it with your followers or with your close friends. When a person taps on this link, it will open the YouTube video in your browser. And that's how we can add YouTube links on our Instagram stories. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.